With international travel becoming more and more accessible, there are still a handful of cities in the world that will cost a pretty penny to visit. The most expensive cities in the world have officially been named in order of their expense. So let's start with the most expensive cities in the world to travel and live. First, Singapore. The city of Singapore has become one of the most popular stopover cities on the continent over recent years, thanks to a huge flux of wealth in the country that has led to significant development of infrastructure and a buzzing foodie culture. The recent release of Crazy Rich Asians has also had a hugely positive impact on tourism in Singapore, which has led to it becoming one of the most expensive cities in the world. Second, Paris. It should come as no surprise that the world's most romantic city is still as popular as ever, especially for couples, honeymooners, and those on the lookout for love. Paris has long been one of the most expensive cities in the world, and especially so if you are visiting in the months of April through end of August. Hong Kong. As the first city I visited internationally, Hong Kong has always been one of my favorite cities to explore. The unique mix of East meets West is unlike any other city in Asia, making for endless activities, be they old or new, culture-filled or non-trend. Zurich, Switzerland. As one of the most pretty Swiss cities, Zurich well and truly earns its place as one of the most expensive too. Zurich is the perfect starting point for your Swiss adventure, but if you are trying to budget, only a night or two is needed. Geneva, Switzerland. Right behind Zurich is Geneva, another of Switzerland's bucket list cities to visit at least once in your lifetime. Located on the edge of Lake Geneva, the city is a global hub for banking and diplomacy, which is understandably impacted the wealth of the city. Osaka, Japan. As my favorite city in Tokyo, Osaka has built a rapid reputation for being the cooler cousin of the capital. Osaka is bursting with culture and entertainment on every corner and has added bonus of being much smaller than Tokyo. Best of all, it is just a 15-minute train ride to historical Kyoto. Seoul, South Korea. Quicker than ever, Seoul is becoming the newest must-visit capital city in Asia. It is hardly a surprise when you consider the rapid rise of K-pop and beauty culture in South Korea that has gained the attention of people across the globe. Copenhagen, Denmark. Copenhagen has a reputation of being one of the most expensive cities in Europe to visit, so it is little surprise to see this city on this list. Nambio estimates the average cost of living in Copenhagen to be over 1,000 USD per month without rent. New York, USA. One of the world's most popular destinations to visit and an equally popular choices for expats, it is no surprise New York City remains one of the world's most expensive cities to visit and live. Manhattan rent prices are notorious for being high, but with gentrification spilling over into the boroughs, New York is becoming more and more expensive each year. Tel Aviv, Israel. Tel Aviv has become a thriving international tourist destination over the past decade and especially so in recent years. The city is a mecca for tourists with cheap flights from European cities which carry such an easy jet. If you are interested in seeing more of the country, this is one of the easiest ports of entry to begin your Israeli adventure. Los Angeles, USA. The East Coast has long had a reputation for being expensive, but it is the West Coast that has had a much quicker rise in rent prices and living prices that has also spilled over into the tourism industry. With a strong US dollar, Los Angeles is now one of the most expensive cities to visit. But with all the glitz and glam of Hollywood, is worth a visit once in your lifetime.